Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve AI system on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve AI system on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps. Can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to the window of ChatGPT app. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.